Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up and use OnePay at Walmart. It's super easy and super convenient, so let's get started. First, download the OnePay app from your device's app store and create an account. Once you're signed up, link your credit or debit card to your OnePay wallet. When you're shopping at Walmart, just tell the cashier that you'll be paying with OnePay. Then open the app, scan the QR code on the register screen, and your payment will go through instantly. If you're shopping online through the Walmart website or app, choose OnePay as your payment method during checkout. Follow the prompts to authorize your payment and that's it. You'll also earn points for your purchases which you can redeem for cashback if you have a OnePay cash account. Plus, OnePay has partnered with CLA to offer installment loans for Walmart purchases with flexible repayment terms from 3 to 6 months. And that's how easy it is to use OnePay at Walmart. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.